baby. I told her I'd call you. Let me take that helmet. Here you go, buddy. No.
My baby's first hit and I missed it.
Look at that fat old coat.
Grab the back, brother. I can do that.
That's alright. Can't be any worse than when Dylan takes them.
Right. Go ahead, big boy. You're up next.
Where'd he go?
Alright, Mason, go ahead.
Go ahead. Go ahead, big boy.
Caden, you're next.
I should have practiced a little bit more with this camera.
Here you go. And after Mason. Come on, Cade. Come on, buddy. You tired? Go take a rest.
Run, Dylan.
Run, Mason. Go, go.
All right, Caden, you're up. Drew.
Somebody got hurt.
Okay.
I guess I'm gonna have to go to the truck and get some money. He needs him a treat. I'm videotaping you picking your nose, Dylan Bruce. Your girlfriend will see this in 10 years. I'm videotaping that little boy. Watch them all.